Hello guys, Steve here, RC. I'm with a DT03 Frog. Last time I had this out, I was complaining about understeer, so I ordered some sway bars off eBay. You can see I have them on the back here now. I put one in the rear, it's blue, but when you order the sway bars, they don't say you have to change out your drivetrain. So I have the big plastic dog bones, as you see there. I had to grind them real thin to fit the sway bars, because I'm guessing you have to buy new out drives and the new thin metal steel dog bones. But I just did that to try it out. If they break, they break. If not, I'll use it like it is. If they break, I'll just order the upgrade steel thin one so it fits without rubbing, because it did rub. You couldn't use them in the stock form, but I modified my car to use them. So let's go out on the ball field and see if it did anything. All right, here she is. Let's give her a whirl, see if she got more steering. It looks like it did, because I wasn't able to do these little donuts, so it looks like it's working now.
I'm sorry. Come on.
We got a visitor here.
Come on. Come on. This way.
My dogs love the RC cars. Alright, now back to the test. I was saying, it looks like it does have more steering because I was able to do them little donuts, and before I couldn't. So I guess the sway bar does help a bit. Still pushing, but I could get it to do a donut now. See that? Before I couldn't do that. So it has a little more steering. Sway bar in the rear is a good thing. There it is, sway bar. Looks like beauties. I just hope my little ground down dog bones hold up. Oh. Definitely got a little more steering out of it now. Oh, I think my dog bone just broke. Something. Yep. I have to upgrade, guys. Dog bone snapped. There it is. Dog bone snapped because where I ground it there. So I'm gonna have to upgrade the drive line with the upgrade thin dog bones and stuff, and probably out drives. But the sway bar on the rear, you can see it in there, it does work. So if you want a little more steering out of your DT03, you got to get the rear sway bar and upgrade the rear drive line. Anyhow, the short-lived video. There you have it, guys. Sway bars work, but you have to get the upgrade parts to use them. See you next time, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful for you. I learned something. Well, I thought the sway bars were gonna work, and they did. Just put one in the rear and it helped out. Anyhow, I'll see you guys next time. Stranded in the sand, no drive line. Later, guys. Thanks for watching.